My name is Natalia Talega and this is Temison King and we're from Mercy Mount Talk in Tralee, County Kerry. Our project is an investigation into whether graphene is an effective alternative to plastic. In our school, a couple of students began a reusable plastic water bottle initiative, and this really helped the plastic pollution problem in our school, but it didn't solve it completely. And we believe that replacing plastic with a better alternative with more properties is the answer to the plastic pollution problem. First of all, we did lots of background research on the properties of graphene, which is a relatively new material. And then we also compared it to the properties of plastic. And then after that, we began to test the properties of graphene ourselves. So we created graphene in our own school. And then we created a version of graphene reinforced plastic. And then we tested properties such as conductivity and strength on those. We found out the many properties of graphene and that it's actually more conductive and stronger than plastic. And also that it's safe for the environment, which is very important for us. So basically, graphene can biodegrade, and it can also absorb BPA, which is a chemical in plastic that is leached out, and BPA reduces plant growth as well. So we feel this is very damaging to the environment and the animals that live in it. And we would definitely want to find another way of graphene production that is more affordable, because it's quite expensive now. I think graphene has a lot of opportunities in the medical field, unlike plastic, and it can be used for neurological diseases and it can heal them. In conclusion, graphene is definitely safe for the environment, and we want to gradually start introducing it to replace plastic.